Hi, this is Dave Shern and News from National for July. I'd like to feature three news items this month. First, the annual conference. August 15th is the early bird deadline. We encourage everyone who's going to be able to attend the conference to register by the 15th and get a substantial reduction in terms of the registration fee. Take a look at the conference agenda. It's on the website. You can go to the MHA homepage, and right in the center of the homepage you'll see reference to the conference, and take a look at it. We've done really a fantastic job putting together a program with lots of national leaders from the government and from the voluntary sector. Over 20 states are represented. Several MHAs will be there talking about their programs. The program focuses on issues of housing and recovery for people with severe mental illnesses in the full panoply of concerns that are related to that. It's going to be a terrific time, and we really hope to see you all there in Tulsa in September. Number two, we were delighted by the Supreme Court decision with regard to the Affordable Care Act. As everyone undoubtedly knows now, the court found that the act was constitutional, but that states did not have to participate in the Medicaid expansion component of the act. That finding has introduced a new set of concerns, and there are some states, Texas and Florida among them, who have announced that they don't plan to participate in the expansion. This leads us to sort of the ironic conclusion that some of the poorest and neediest people in the country will be the only people who will not have health insurance should those states not expand coverage. As you all know, the expanded coverage in Medicaid has mandatory parity for mental health and substance use benefits. We know that those mental health and substance use problems are overrepresented in the population that would be excluded from Medicaid. So it's critical that we continue to convince the leadership in these states to participate in the program, and we're working with various affiliates and groups of affiliates in those states to try to make sure that that gets done. As you undoubtedly also know, our item number three relates to the fact that this is the political season. The national campaigns are well underway, and we're in the process of finalizing a voter guide that will be referenced in the News from National text and will be available to affiliates as well as to the general population to help inform us about the issues that are important to us and provide support for people who want to attend town hall meetings or other sorts of fora to make sure that mental health and substance use issues are addressed in those fora. So take a look at the News from National, and it'll give you information about how you can obtain the voter's guide. It's a beautiful but warm day here in Washington at the end of July. I hope that you all are having a terrific summer and look forward to seeing many of you in September in Tulsa.